Alright, so this is basically what we're working with right now, okay? So now it's time to get into the prepping of the lineup. Right here, I got some rubbing alcohol, and I'm really just rubbing it all on the front and the back of the hairline, anywhere that my liners are going to touch. This is really going to help to get that ash effect when you're actually lining them up. So right here, I am putting on some hairspray. This is gonna lock the hairs down in place. So then when you're lining them up, the hair doesn't move at all, which is gonna help when you're lining up. Now I'm blow drying it to really speed up the process of it drying. So then it's just more efficient. Alright, so now it's time for the lineup part. The part that you guys are really here for. So what I like to do is I really like to start in the middle, and I like to work my way to one side and then come back to the other side and match it. So it really makes it hard for you to like mess up your lineup when you're doing this, because you're matching it with the other side. So it really makes it hard for you to make a lineup crooked or anything like that. So if you're not already doing it, I would recommend you do it. Try it out, see if you like it, and if you don't, well, I mean, you could try something different and see what works for you. To the back line, you really just want to keep everything natural. You're really just cleaning up the back. You're not really trying to make anything dramatic or anything like that. You're really just trying to keep everything nice, natural, and sharp. So what I didn't say on the other side is don't be afraid to move the ear. I know when I was first starting out, I was really afraid to I would hurt him if I was, moving it, I don't know, okay, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure he would rather have you move his ear than you cut his ear and he's bleeding and all that. So don't be afraid to move his ear. It's an ear, he's not hurting, it doesn't hurt him. Just move the ear out of the way so you don't end up cutting it. Alright, so now it comes to enhancements. Now I don't know why all you guys been hating on enhancements and all that. Look, enhancements enhances the cut. I mean, you make sure you have a sharp line on there first, then you spray it on. It just makes the client feel better. It makes their lineup feel fuller, more sharper. And I mean, I feel like it's okay as long as you have a sharp line before you put it on. But you stay a good distance away from it, and you go ahead and spray. Don't spray too much, spray a little, remove the card, then if you need some more, go ahead and put some more on. But I like to do it little by little to make sure I'm not overdoing it. Alright, so now it's time for the razor, okay? Now when you're using the razor, I feel like you make sure that you're always pulling the skin, keep the razor flat, and just let the razor do its thing. Don't try to put all this pressure on the skin and none of that, really, because that's how you start cutting clients. And I started to think that you always have to put all this pressure. You don't have to put all that pressure. Just let the razor do its thing, pull the skin, keep it flat, and trust me, you will more than likely never cut your client. Alright, so right here, what you want to do is I'm just taking off the little hairs on the back of his neck. It kind of makes it look a lot cleaner, more sharp, because there's not all that hair around. So it's basically just a little bit of a cleanup. Alright, so when it comes comes to my waiver clients, I usually let them pick which products they want. And my client, which is my dad in this video, is he wanted coconut oil, which is fine, organic, all natural. It brings a lot of shine and health to your hair. And you just want to rub it in the pattern of their waves. So right here, I'm just taking off the frizz right here, and I'm just basically using a razor and a comb. And I'm combing through the hair, and while I'm combing through the hair, the razor just takes off all the frizz. And this is a must for any waver. It's kind of like a substitute for the freehand trim. You know, there's different methods to take off the frizz for a waver, and freehand trim isn't the only one. You can use a shaver, you can use this method, you can use, you know, a clipper, which is also called the freehand trim. But there's different ways to taking off frizz, and here's just one of them. So this is the second method that I mentioned. You basically just take your shaver, lay it on the head, and go in the direction of their wave pattern. It just lays down the frizz, just another way to lay down the frizz, and it just makes the haircut look a lot better when you're done. This is the final result. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video, because why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? Don't forget to drop a comment down below, because you guys don't know reading you guys' comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're dropping fire videos just like this one. But stay wavy, and it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah!